Want to make your video look like a powerful storm is about to hit? CapCut Mobile includes lighting effects that can instantly add drama, energy, and a cinematic feel to your footage. To get started, open your project and select the clip you want to edit. Next, tap Effects and choose Video Effects. Search for a lightning or thunder effect and apply it to your video. As soon as it's added, you'll notice bright flashes and electric strikes appearing throughout the scene. To customize the effect, tap on it in the timeline. You can adjust the speed to control how often the lightning appears and fine-tune the intensity to match the mood you're going for. A few small adjustments can make the difference between a subtle storm effect and the full cinematic thunderstorm. Preview the video and continue refining the effect until it looks natural with your footage. And that's how to add lightning thunder effects in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple way to transform an ordinary clip into something much more dramatic and visually engaging.